My video guide is about removing the fake alerts that attack many Mac computers right now. These fake alerts come from the website Orafukz.xyz. So, Orafukz.xyz is a deceptive site that may attack Google, Chrome, and other browsers. These fake alert may also attack Safari, by the way, because it targets Mac computers only. This fake alert is presented as some software update for Mac computer, but this information is absolutely faulty. You should not trust these deceptive messages. The pop-up claims that there is some update for Adobe Flash Player. When people mistakenly proceed with that so-called update, they are actually downloading and installing some potentially unwanted software. Therefore, you should not interact with these deceptive messages. Don't trust these pop-ups and what they tell you. They are absolutely fake. We recommend you to disregard these pop-ups and check your available Mac applications. If you find some items that are suspicious, get rid of them. I also recommend that you additionally research your computer with Combo Cleaner antivirus. Please get it on this official website, combocleaner.com. Download Combo Cleaner. Install the program, then click on Start Combo Scan button. So the program will begin scanning, researching, and investigating your system. Combo Cleaner will be in the trial mode initially, but even in the trial mode there are certain free features like disk cleaner, big files, duplicates. So the scanning will begin. Then the scanning will take some minutes, I would say. It depends on various factors. For instance, it may depend on how infected the system is and on how many hard drives are being scanned. At the end of the scan, you will see the full picture of what's going on with your system and how many threats were found. These pop-ups by Orafukz.xyz, of course, may be related to some adware on your Mac. So, very often the adware is hidden deep in the system. That's why scanning with Combo Cleaner is extremely recommended. So, at the end of the scan, go to the antivirus section. You'll see the report about threats. We recommend that you upgrade to Premium as the best solution to keep your data always protected and to keep your Mac always free of any threats.